Hello guys, welcome to the new tutorial on Udemy, SketchUp 2025 Masterclass. So in this tutorial we will talk about drawings. First of all, one of the most basic steps for 3D modeling is the drawing. So I'm going to show you how we can work with drawing tools in SketchUp, very simple and easy. So the first and basic one is the align option, which you can find it in the large toolbox in here, the line. If I click on it with the LMB or left click on my mouse, I can convert my cursor to the pen, something like that, as you can see on the screen, or pencil. It depends on you how you want to find it out. So we have three different coordinates and directions: the green, the red one, and the blue one. You can consider green and red as the X and Y, and the blue one as the Z. So I'm going to click on the left click on my mouse, and you can see the green line will be activated for me like that on the green direction, on the red direction or red axis, and on the blue axis. So you can draw your line on the axis that you want, very simple and easy, but sometimes maybe it moves like this or like that, so you can't find it out exactly. For this reason, you can hold Shift and the line will be bold for you, and it shows that it's locked now, and if you move your cursor, it doesn't change and it only detects green axis for you. In the blue one, the story is same, and in the red one, we have the same story. So, for example, I want to draw a rectangle with the dimension about 1 meter to 2 meter. So I'm going to start my drawing from here, like that, holding Shift. At the right side bottom, you can see the length option. So when I type 1, very simple, 1 will be typed for me like that, and I can press Enter. On the red axis, I can try this work again, but this time with the different dimension, for example, 2 meter, and press Enter. On the green axis, another time 1 meter, press Enter. And for closing these lines and converting them to the rectangle and face, we only need to connect this point to this point. So I'm gonna left click on it and it will be over like that. Very simple and easy. So I can orbit to see what happened in here. We draw a rectangle with the exact dimensions. So now I want to select this. How I can select this and move it? Very simple. I can hold left click from the right side of the screen to the left side, and I draw a selection box like that. Another way is that I can triple click on my model or double click like this. It doesn't matter, double click or triple click, it depends on you. And all parts of my 3D model will be selected for me. But this one is the face, it's the 2D model right now. So if I only one time click on the face like this, only the face will be selected for me, and lines will nothing change for them. So I'm gonna select them like that, and I want to move them to the origin point, which the 0, point. So I'm gonna click on the move option, which you can find in the large toolbox in here. Click on the move, and now you can move it from different parts, different places, different faces, different vertices. It depends on you, but if you want to work accurate, you need to move your cursor near to the end point of your 3D model. So I'm going to left click on it and move it to the origin point. The snap is activated, and you can another time left click and press space. If you want to totally exit from it, you can press escape or click on the other places of the software. So very simple. We draw a line like that. So we can try this work and continue it as we can. For example, I can select line option this time, but this time without any specific dimension. For example, something like this, like this, like that one, like this, another one, like that. Very simple. like this, and like this. As you can see, we draw some line in different axis points and directions, and this is the line that we do for it. Okay, if I want to select this line, for example, and delete it, nothing will change for me. It's only showing that how you can erase your works. But if you want to erase it from the large toolbox, you have the option exactly next to the paint bucket, which name is eraser. If I click on the eraser, I can erase all the options that I want on my screen. Very simple and easy. So I'm going to click on it like that. And now another option we have is the freehand. Freehand is one of the drawing tools, but most of the time you won't use it because it's not accurate. It's not following some very exact axis or direction, and it's a free drawing mode. So if I click on it, you can see what will happen. I can draw it like that, like this, or draw something like this. As you can see, nothing special. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. In the next tutorial, we will talk about more about the drawing tools. Try to practice all of them step by step if you want to learn SketchUp completely without any mistake. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. See you and goodbye.